The people of Portmore have spoken, and their message is loud and clear. They do not want Portmore to become a parish. Yet the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, led by Andrew Holness, is rushing to push this through before the general election in September. Why the urgency? Who really benefits from this move? Today, frustrated residents took to the streets in protests, demanding a say in their own future. 14,000 of them voted for their mayor, a clear sign that they value their local governance. Yet the government seems intent on stripping them of that voice. If Portmore is to become a parish, shouldn't the people be consulted first? Shouldn't they have a referendum? Portmore lacks a public hospital, cemeteries, and other basic infrastructure that every other parish in Jamaica has. How can you call it a parish when it doesn't even have the facilities to function as one? Instead of fixing these issues, the JLP is focused on political maneuvering, not real development. And let's be real, this move isn't about Portmore's progress, it's about power. By making Portmore a parish, the JLP could weaken the PNP's hold on the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, ensuring they gain more political control. It could also reshape voter boundaries in a way that benefits the ruling party in future elections. But this isn't going unnoticed. The PNP has already signaled that they will take the JLP to court if this bill is passed. And the people, they've made it clear that they will keep taking their frustration to the streets. The government may have the power in parliament, but the people have the power of protest. Portmore deserves real development, not rushed political games. If the JLP truly cares about Portmore, let them ask the people what they want instead of forcing their own agenda. The people must stand up. The government must listen.